Good day, everyone. Our topic today is running fix. This this is another method in marine navigation to find the ship's position. Definition: a navigation method using one object only. Position is found by observing the same object at different time. Example: lighthouse. Okay. Running fix is a navigation method which uses only one object like a lighthouse or a star. The position is found by observing that object at different times. How it works. Take first bearing of the object. After some time, take another bearing. Transfer the first line of position. The crossing point running fixed position. Okay. First, kuha tawog bearing bearing sa object. After some time, kuha tawog another bearing sa same object. Since the ships since the ship move, i-transfer na to ang first line of position where the two lines cross, mao na ang running fix. Ali someday mas importance. Useful when only one object is visible. Helps find position without GPS. Guides navigator when few landmarks are available. Running fix is important kay sometimes usa ra gyud ka object ang visible. Dili tanan time na ay daghang landmarks. So gamit siya kay makahatag gyapon og posisyon bisan wala GPS or daghang reference. Sample o summary. First bearing sa lighthouse at 8 a.m. Then second bearing at 9 a.m. Kung is ito 9 a.m. Transfer first line to new position. Intersection calls running fix. Kani, kung i-transfer na to ang first line and where they meet, that is the running fix position. So in short, running fix is finding position gamit one object pero kuhaon siya at different times. Mura to. Thank you.